Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the controller and removing the battery pack. This prevents accidental inputs and shorting. Next, use a T6 Torx to remove the 4 visible screws on the back. Place each screw in a labeled tray so nothing mixes. Once done, use a thin, flat pry tool to work the back shell free. Apply even pressure around the seam to avoid plastic stress. Make sure to note ribbon orientation for reassembly, because alignment matters later. You now lift the PCB slightly to reach the bumper housings. Disconnect any ribbon cables gently by flipping their latches. With access, remove the bumper retaining clips or tiny screws and extract the old bumpers and springs. You'll want to remember which way each spring faces because that controls travel and return force. Install the new bumpers, seating springs and pins precisely. Press each bumper to confirm smooth, consistent travel. Once the mechanical action feels right, reconnect the ribbon and secure the board back into place. You finish by aligning the back shell and pressing it into place. Tighten the Torx screws in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure and avoid warping. Reinstall the battery or cable, power up the controller, and test each bumper in menus or a game to verify inputs register cleanly. If a bumper feels mushy or unresponsive, power down and reopen. Most problems trace to a misseated ribbon, an inverted spring, or a stray screw obstructing travel. Correct that, then retest to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.